Hey, Miss Madeline. Miss Madeline. Miss Madeline. Miss Madeline. She's the beautiful girl. Miss Madeline. She's the baby doll. She don't need no baby doll. She is the baby doll. Yes, she is. She's Pap's baby doll. Pap's baby doll. Yes, you are. You're Pap's baby doll. You got your I Love Grandpa shirt on. Yes, you do. I love Grandpa. Yeah. What? What? I'm gonna get some kisses. Ah! I'm gonna get some kisses. Ah! Oh. I'm gonna get some kisses. Oh, isn't she a sweet baby? Oh, oh. I'm gonna get some kisses.